Hi guys, Ian at PaintTech. This is a small video of a guy that I met at Decorators Pro Centre today. We were there doing a spray day. He came in to see if he could actually just pick up a few tips from us guys that spray a lot. Really nice fella, got a machine, was having a few problems. This video is to show you where he was and where he is now.
Why did you want to be a decorator then? What got you into it? Because you did apprenticeships and that, didn't you?
To be totally honest, I've always been a grafter, and I went to college and I read that bricklayers made a lot of money, so I did a course of bricklaying. Couldn't get any work doing bricklaying, and someone I played ice hockey with said, if you change it to painting and decorating, I'll be able to give you a job. And that was it. I wanted to earn money, really.
Did you go to college?
Yeah, I did pretty much my first year I did with a company, went halfway through the second year and then they went bump. So I just went self-employed from there and just went on my own.
At some point you realised that you wanted the idea or thought about the idea of spraying. Mm-hmm. Why?
I got kind of tricked into it once. The boss we had a massive area and he hired a sprayer. I pretended that I knew what I was doing and sprayed it and realised how quick it was then, but normal mistakes, whacking the pressure up super high. You hear everyone, oh, you got to thin the paint down 50-50, and terrible technique as well, arcing, so the overspray went everywhere. I enjoyed it, but the other trades didn't. And like other people on site didn't, and that was one of my first experiences of spraying. I thought, yeah, it's good, but you need to have an empty house, no floors, all these sort of rules that you think had to be in place for you to be able to spray. And then I thought, you don't get that many jobs unless you're doing new builds and it's bare plaster and empty. You don't get them jobs, so I just cracked on doing it normally.
In January, Rhys came down from Birmingham with his partner Bobby to do the introduction course. Everything went really, really well. They had a blast, ticked a load of boxes, got a load of stuff done. They had such a good time, they asked if they could actually come back on the Sunday. As it was, we had space, so they booked themselves into a hotel, stayed the night, came back on the Sunday, went through all the trim stuff, and they just nailed it. It was absolutely fantastic weekend. Okay, technique, experience, confidence?
Yeah, really good.
Anything we didn't grab?
No, it was good. No, I enjoyed all of it.
If I'm not mistaken, we now have a situation where Lee, Rhys and Bobby have had such a good day today that you guys are staying, so you're back tomorrow. Okay.
Definitely the course we did the introduction, and that was so good that we found a hotel for the night and stayed down and did the trim course the next day.
Why did you decide to do training, and why did you decide to come to PaintTech?
Coming to the demo day was really good. It was only a little half day, and a lot of it was like a presentation. But the fact that see the work that you were pulling in, and the finishes you could do, and the fact that you're doing it day in, day out, on site, non-stop, I think that's what made it, yeah. And the fact that I met you, I kind of rubbed on well with you. We chatted every now and then on Facebook. It was nice to have. It's the same reason why I like Decorators. It's nice to have a person that actually cares and you have a relationship with that you can deal with.
The best thing is when people have finished the course, they go in a support group. Me and Rhys, we got chatting about lots of different things. He was struggling trying to get the work that he wanted, which was more spray related. As it was, we had a job running at the time down here that was really time sensitive. So I picked up the phone, phoned him, said, do you and Bobby want to come down and work for a week because I need a hand? They did. I said, look, it's a working week. So we agreed everything, they knuckled down, delivered, but they also soaked everything up. They were in a position where they could actually just pick my brains all week. They learnt so much. It was a really good week for us. It was a shame to see them leave. They went back and started building their business.
I'm asking someone who's actually done 2 courses with us and has actually benefits of being working on site with us this week because he wants to, I think, expand his knowledge. So, why did you come down this week, Rhys?
I think the opportunity to come onto site and see what you actually do and expand the knowledge of what you taught us at the academy was too good to miss the opportunity, really. To come and see the fact that not only the systems that you spoke about in the classroom and coming onto site and seeing the fact that they actually work, I think that's the main reason. So I'm hoping to get into jobs like this size as well, and you know, you can talk to people till you're blue in the face in the classroom, and you always forget little bits and little tidbits. Whereas as you can see, the whole thing, start to finish, coming together, and we've talked rooms from various stages and bringing them together in a finish in a really quick time with a really good quality. I just think I had to come and look and see for myself how it all come together.
The next thing was, they managed to get a really, really good project. They had a job come up for the Marriott Hotel, which is close to them. It was really time sensitive. They had 2 weeks to deliver. Rhys wouldn't have taken the job on unless he was spraying. And he kind of stretched himself and took himself out of his comfort zone and sprayed all sorts of the project. He'd done really well. I was in Manchester doing a training course. So what I did was, on the way back, I stopped in Birmingham for pretty much 2 days, stayed overnight. And on one of the days, I went on site with him to the Marriott. I must admit, I was so pleased, I was so impressed. He went from literally this point, like, to here. So for me, it was fantastic to see how it actually got good at spraying, started to listen about building a business. He delivered for the Marriott, absolutely fantastic. You'll see the photos, the videos. I'm chuffed to bits for him.
Afternoon, guys, in at PaintTech. I am in Coventry this afternoon with Rhys and Bobby. Rhys and Bobby have been decorating for quite a few years now, but they started spraying last year?
No, we were on the course in January.
Was it January?
Yeah.
So wow, in January, so now we're only in April, and this is a massive project that Rhys and Bobby and pretty much 3 of them have undertaken this project in 2 weeks.
Yep, yeah. 2 weeks.
And would you have undertaken this project if you didn't spray?
No, we wouldn't have got near it.
Just talk me through the windows.
Well, obviously you can see there's so many panes of glass that needed taping up, and we've done some time analysis on it. We spent probably 3 man days, so all of us for a day taping that up. And I did almost utter the words, it might have been quick with a brush. And then we actually spoke to the maintenance guy here, and the last people who did it spent 3 weeks, a decorator spent 3 weeks doing it with a brush. So that made me feel a bit better, because we spent 3 man days taping up, and then I spent probably 3 hours spraying it. There's 1 undercoat and 2 top coats. Yeah. So I think it's good to build a network of people that actually want to help each other, and I think it's quite friendly as well.
If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you want to find us on social media, you'll find us on Facebook, Instagram, all the usual. All the links to find us are just down below in the description.